Now we're gonna see the class JColorChooser. So we're gonna create a new Java project. So we have our folder of Java projects. So we are gonna go to Visual Studio Code. If I go right here, this is my Java project. So I have the button frame and I have the label frame. So what I'm gonna do right now is, well, I'm using a laptop Windows. So what I'm gonna press is Control All Windows N, and now I'm gonna go into new Java project. Okay, so yeah, no build tools, and yeah, this is gonna be Java. I want to be in this Java folder to create the next project. And now I'm gonna type in the name for this. So we are gonna name it show. We're gonna name it show colors to JFrame, like that. Show colors to JFrame. And okay, it already opened it. Okay, so now we're gonna go inside of the source and we're gonna create this file name show colors to JFrame.java. So let me see. Yeah, this is the class show colors to JFrame. That's fine, but before that we're gonna import some stuff. So we're gonna import java.awt border layout. Okay, so this is we're gonna be choosing colors with the JColorChooser. Semicolon at the end, that's fine. Import java.awt color, semicolon at the end. Import java.awt event, event, let me see, event that action listener, action event. Okay, so we have 3 so far, and now we're gonna have import java.awt action listener. Okay, so we have the event and the listener. Now we're gonna import the javax. So it's gonna be javax.swing. Okay, javax.swing.JButton semicolon at the end. We're gonna have the import javax.swing.JFrame. That's fine. So we have the button and the JFrame. Let me see, let me copy and paste it here. So instead of frame, we are gonna have the JColorChooser. So it's gonna be JColorChooser. And now we're gonna have the javas.swing.jPanel. Okay, that's, yeah, that is 8 we're gonna import. Let me see, we're gonna have the public class show colors to JFrame. So camel notation that is gonna extends JFrame. Okay, and here we are gonna have our private JButton. So our private JButton change color. So change color JButton. Okay, semicolon at the end. We're gonna have our private color. Okay, we're gonna name it color. We're gonna set it to the color dot, and then it's gonna be light. Okay, yeah, this one, light underscore gray with uppercase letters. So finally we're gonna have private. It's gonna be let me see. Okay, private. Okay, this is, yeah, color, that's fine. So we have JButton color, and this one has to be JPanel. So it's gonna be the JPanel, and then it's gonna be color panel. So it's gonna be It's gonna be color, yeah, this one, color J panel, semicolon at the end. Let me see, everything is fine. Color chooser, yeah, it's fine. We are gonna go here, and now we're gonna set the GUI. So we're gonna have our public show colors. So show colors to JFrame. We're gonna open parentheses, and to the next line we're gonna open curly braces, and inside we're gonna have first of all super, oops, let me see, we're gonna have super, yeah, and inside of the parentheses we're gonna have this string that is gonna be using JColorChooser, okay. And now we're gonna create a JPanel for display color. So it's gonna be color JPanel. So it's gonna be color JPanel. We're gonna set it to new JPanel, okay. Semicolon at the end. That's fine. Now we're gonna have color JPanel that set. Let me see. It's gonna be that set. Set background, so it's gonna be set, this one, that set background, and we are gonna pass in just the color, okay, semicolon at the end. Let me see, yeah. Now we're gonna set up the change color button and register its event handler. So to do that, we're gonna have the change, yeah, this one, change, let me see, it's gonna be change color button, okay, so I mess it up here, okay, it's gonna be change color button, let me see, yeah, change color JButton, so it's gonna be change color JButton. We're gonna set it to new JButton, that's fine, and inside of the parentheses we're gonna have this string change color, so string change color, semicolon at the end. Now we're gonna have the change, yeah, again, change color JButton, and we're gonna add the action listener, so add action listener, and let me see, we're gonna pass change, it's gonna be that add action listener, and inside of the parentheses, okay, we are gonna have, well, to the next line we're gonna have, let me move it here, we are gonna have new, okay, it's gonna be new action, so it's gonna be new action listener. Let me see if we're gonna have our new action listener, and I don't know if we need a semicolon, okay, VS Code did it automatically for us, but let me see. So we have the new action listener, so anonymous inner class. Inside of the curly braces we're gonna display the JColorChooser when user clicks button. So to do that we're gonna have our public void, so we're gonna have public void, it's gonna be action event, no, I mean action perform, it's gonna be action perform, and we are gonna pass in the action event, so it's gonna be the action event, and it's just gonna be event. We're gonna open curly braces again, and this time we're gonna have the color, and we're gonna set it to the JColorChooser that is gonna be show dialog, so this one, show dialog, and let me close all this. Okay, so it's gonna be JColorChooser that show dialog, okay, show JColorChooser that show dialog, and yeah, this one has to end with semicolon, but inside of the parentheses we're gonna have the show we're gonna have show colors. Okay, let me see, it's gonna be yeah, this one show colors to JFrame that this. Okay, we are gonna have gonna be choose a color, and finally just the color. Okay, let's save it for now, and let me see. So now outside of this parentheses, outside of the semicolon, but still inside of this public void action perform, so here we're gonna set up an if statement. So if, and now our condition, if color is equal to null, then 1 2 3, then the color we're gonna set it to the to the color that light gray, semicolon at the end. Okay, let me see. So that would be the this would be the end of the method action perform. If, okay, change contents. Okay, but before that, so if the color is null, then we're gonna set the color to the color that light gray. But before that, here we're gonna change the content pane's background color, so it's gonna be color, this one is the second one, color JPanel that set background, and then we're just gonna pass in color. Okay, semicolon at the end. Yeah, that would be the end of the method action perform. This would be the end of the anonymous inner class. This one would be the end of the call add action listener. Yeah, let me see, where is, yeah, add action listener. So we are gonna go right here, because this is the end of the call to add action listener, and here, so outside of that, we're gonna have add, and we are gonna add the color JPanel. We're gonna have here the border layout that center. Okay, yeah, semicolon at the end, that's fine. Now we're gonna have add, and here we're gonna have change color JButton. So we're gonna have the let me see, as a first argument. Okay, so we're gonna have the change color JButton. The second argument is gonna be border. It's gonna be border layout that south. Okay, semicolon at the end. Yeah. Yeah, that's fine. And finally, we just need to set size, and it's gonna be 400 by 130. You can play around with these numbers. Then set visible, so it's gonna be set visible, and we're gonna set it to true. Okay, yeah, so this sets the frame size, and this just display the frame. So let me see if I have any errors. So no errors are showing up here, that's fine. So that's one file. Let me see, show colors 2 JFrame. Yeah, let me close it. Let me see. Okay, so show colors to JFrame, and we're gonna extend it. So We don't have any mistakes so far. Let me see. Camel notation, everything is fine. Yeah, let's just leave it like that. So we are gonna go in source, and now we're gonna create a new file, and this is just gonna be the show colors. So it's gonna be the show colors to jframe.java. Oops, that Java. What happened? Show colors. Let me close it. Okay, let me do it again. So it's gonna be show colors to that Java. Okay, and now we are only gonna import, so we're gonna we're gonna import javax. So javax that swing that jframe, so that jframe semicolon at the end. That's the only thing that we are gonna import. Okay, so now we're gonna execute the application. So it's just gonna be the public static void main, and now we're gonna have the show. So let me see, we're gonna have show no, like this. It's gonna be show colors to jframe. So show colors to jframe application, and we're gonna set it to new show colors to jframe semicolon at the end. Yeah, that's fine. Now we're gonna use this application, and we're gonna set default close operation, and we're gonna set it to jframe. So jframe that exit on close. Yeah, that's fine, semicolon. Okay, so we go into the show colors to jframe.java, and we're gonna go inside of the public show colors to jframe, and super, we need the semicolon at the end. That was the only error that we were messing up, and we can close it, and now we can go to our main, so where we have the main method, and now we can just click it, so run Java. And as you can see, we can make it bigger, and now we can change colors. So we can pick, I don't know, you can pick swatches, HSB, HSL, RGB, CMYK. So we can pick, I don't know, maybe this color kind of green. Okay, so as you can see, the whole background is changed. We can pick, I don't know, we can maybe, let me see, maybe red, something like that. Click OK, so it changes. We can go into RGB, and let's go for, I don't know, kind of yellow. Yeah, let me see, now it's gonna be green. This would be kind of yellow, and yeah, this is it.